Hello campers, this is part 2 of the basic navigation of Campgrounds 360, and this is on your mobile application. Now again, Campgrounds 360 is currently a website, and so navigation on your mobile device is through a web browser, campgrounds360.com. So when you navigate to that, you'll get this screen. And to get started on navigating the interactive map and using the filters on your mobile device as opposed to at a desktop, there are a few differences in the best practices, best way to get around and get what you need using the smaller screen and the different configuration. So first off, you start by using the what's called the hamburger icon here in the top right. You click on that. Go to interactive map. Now, in the desktop version, you kind of had a big screen where this map was visible to you. Now, most of you will know when you navigate on a Google map on your mobile device, you got to use the two-finger pinch approach to kind of pan around in here. You can't just left click and move around the map. You need to do that awkward two-pinch approach. So the best way to go about searching for campgrounds on Campgrounds 360 is to go up to the filters and choose what you want to look for first. If you only want to see campgrounds where there are 360 photos provided, I recommend that you go ahead and toggle that on first. If you're looking for first come, first serve, also include that. And then go down to your map and click on your full screen. And that's where you can start doing all your navigation. If you then need to go back, then you can make your adjustments to the filters and then go back and forth that way. So that's the best tip, because what you'll also notice is on the mobile platform, there's no hover capabilities to get the name of the campground, but you can do a left click to see the view. Now again, in this view, your info box gets clipped out and you got to do this weird pinching in the space that's not the box to see it, and that is where it comes in to expand the full screen. It's just better to navigate. Once your cell phone puts you in that full screen view, then yeah, you can single left click and navigate around this map and easily click on and off your info boxes to get additional information, names of campgrounds and such, and then you can click the view campground to go directly to that site. And again, here's the button to return, but that is the best practice of navigating through the interactive map. Again, you do have your featured campgrounds down here at the bottom, so it's still centered on the map, and it will show you the 4 nearest campgrounds to where you're centered. And it works the same way here. If you like what you see, click on it and it'll go straight to that campground. So as you can see, Crater Lake National Park in Oregon is a beautiful location and definitely worth going to see. So again, if you have any questions about navigating on the website, on the application, or just general questions about camping, please feel free to reach out. Ryan at campgrounds360.com. Happy camping, everyone.